for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. What's happening with you? So anyway, powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper, celebrating their showcase event. It's going on all month long. Check out the new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram vehicles online, ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the shit happens, baby. All right, listen, let's start off with an apology. First of all, so sorry for upsetting all of you on April Fool's Day with the whole Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift thing. No, I'm not. It was April Fool's. All right, back to it. Ask and you shall receive. New Kids on the Block. What? I know. Look, I had one poster. Don't judge me. A new album today is out, and it's their first album in 5 years. Is it called 5? Nope, it's called 10. You do the math. All right. We've got a new prom queen. Not me. I may lose a side bet here because I kind of picked Zendaya to go all the way for Dancing with the Stars, but there is a new girl in town. Oh yeah, it's Kelly Pickler. So hopefully, I don't know, we'll see what happens with that. I put a lot of money on this, by the way. Okay, not a lot of money. And you know what? Justin Bieber got in on his own April Fools. Did you see this? He tweeted yesterday a phone number and said he was taking fan phone calls all day long, but it was the tip line to TMZ. Ha! Joke's on you, TMZ! Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com, keyword E. Mwah!